Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use the heat map on TradingView. First, go to TradingView.com and at the top of the page, hover over Products. Then hover over Screeners and you'll see three options for heat maps: stocks, ETFs, or crypto. Choose the one you want to explore. In this example, I'll click on crypto. Once the heat map loads, you'll see a visual overview of the market. You can customize what you are viewing by switching between all crypto coins, excluding Bitcoin, excluding stable coins, or even DeFi coins. On the right-hand side, you can also sort and filter the heat map based on different metrics, for example, by market cap, volume in USD 24 hours, fully diluted market cap, or price change. This gives you a quick and clear picture of which assets are performing well and which are dropping, all at a glance. That's it. I hope this helped. If it did, please subscribe to help me, and see you in the next one.